Today we're showcasing a quick tutorial on how to build a Toja Grid hammock pergola that we were gifted to show our audience just how easy it is to work with. We started by staining the 4x4 posts black, which will help to protect them from the elements and make them look good with black brackets. Once the stain was dry, we started assembling the top frame, inserting each 4x4 post into the 4 corner brackets. Some posts are harder than others. Then we screwed everything together with the enclosed stainless steel screws, making sure we pre-drill each hole. Then we turned the top frame upside down and added the vertical posts. Now, since there were only 2 of us, one person held the frame while the other inserted each post and secured it with 2 screws. We did this on both sides, and then we inserted the vertical posts into the bottom frame. Next, we added the 4x4 post to the top of the frame for the wave shades. Taking measurements from the ground makes it easier to space them out evenly across the top of the pergola. This was the hardest part to build the project since we were working on ladders. Then we installed each of the 4 wave shades, alternating weaving them through each post. We secured each shade to the top frame and enclosed side mounts. The shade will help us enjoy our hammock even during the hot Florida sun. With the frame and top wave shade finished, we started on the hammock itself. We hung the hammock lower, similar to the height of a bed, to make it easy to get in and out of. Next, we added the back wall slats. We clamped each slat on the desired height and then screwed them in to each post. Since we had 8 2x4 sets, there were quite a bit of calculations to set the slats spacing them out evenly. Finally, we added the curtains for privacy. Toja's curtain rod holder kit made this installation very simple. We chose outdoor rated curtains, so we'll see how well they hold up in our Florida weather. And that's it. We're now ready to relax and enjoy our new hammock pergola. I hope you liked this video, and if you're looking for a way to add a hammock to your backyard, I highly recommend the Toja Grid system. It's easy to assemble and it'll make a statement in your backyard. Thanks for watching.